How to fix if you're not receiving emails on Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. Make sure you have a good connection before checking Outlook, as sometimes not having a good connection of Wi-Fi may cause some issue. Another thing which you can do is simply click on the mail or the person that is trying to send you mail and you're not receiving. And then here, if they're blocked, make sure you press on unblock in here. Another thing which you can also do is click on the filter option at the top. After you've clicked on filter at the top, filter it by unread or has files, as it may be somewhere hidden in all your files. Another thing which you can also do is click on the three dots or three lines at the top left. After you've clicked on it, you'll find different options here. Search for junk email. After you go to junk email in here, you'll find different mails here which are junk. You can also click on it and then recover it, or simply click on it and then click on view at the bottom, and then you can click on open in new tab. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix not receiving emails on Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.